English, Grade 7, Tape Script 11.33.1.
Dad, where's my mom?
Your mom is... I don't know where your mom is, Irony. I have no idea.
Where are my brothers and sisters, Dad? Do I have brothers and sisters?
Irony, stop asking silly questions. No, you don't have any brothers or sisters.
But why, Dad? Why? Is it true, Dad? Is it true that I was an egg? I was an egg, then I became a bird. Is it true, Dad?
Yes, that's true.
That's so cool. Do all eggs become birds? I saw Tara eating eggs for breakfast. Do all eggs become birds like me, Dad?
Stop asking silly questions, Irony.
Okay, just one more, Dad. Why do we sleep?
I don't know, Irony. We sleep, that's all. Our friends sleep too. So Paul, Dara, and Bopa sleep in their beds too.
Dad, where do I go when I fly? Where do you go when you fly?
You can go anywhere. You can go up the mountain, to the park, or by the river. But don't go swimming in the river again.
Okay, Dad. Can trees talk? Can they talk to me?
No, Irony. Trees can't talk. They don't talk to people, and they don't talk to birds.
When does school start, Dad? I wanna go to school. Where can I go to school?
Don't be silly, Irony. You can't go to school. Schools are for people.
What do people eat, Dad?
They eat a lot of things. They eat chicken, they eat rice, they eat eggs. Sometimes they eat birds, too.
Tape Script 11.33.2. A neighbor. A neighbor. A superhero. A superhero. Special powers. Special powers. Bored. Bored. Tape Script 11.33.3. Congratulations! It's the end of school year. What's your most memorable day in grade 7?
Oh, I remember now. My friends took me to a ghost house. I thought I touched a ghost's hair. But it was only noodles. And I thought I touched the ghost's teeth. But it was only corn. Then I touched the ghost's stomach. It really smelled bad. But it wasn't a ghost's stomach. It was just clothes, wet clothes. I was so scared. But I didn't let my friends know. I said I wasn't scared. I was brave. This is my most memorable day. My friends were so happy. They laughed like crazy. Can you guess who I am?
What's my most memorable day in grade 7? I know. I was in the classroom with my friends. My friends were really naughty on that day. One of my friends was on the table. He stood on the table. Then my other friend was on the floor. She sat on the floor. She didn't want to get up. And I didn't want to talk to my partner. I didn't like my partner on that day. I couldn't forget this day. It's so memorable. Miss Mom had a really bad day. Now, we're not naughty. We are good students. Can you guess who I am?
What's my most memorable day in grade 7? It was when a new girl came to our class. Her name is Linda. Everyone liked her and no one wanted to talk to me. All my friends wanted to talk to her. She isn't the smartest in class, but she's the prettiest. I didn't like her at all. But things changed. We're friends now. My friends talk to me and they like me. I go swimming and hiking with them on Saturday and Sunday. Linda sometimes goes swimming and hiking with us, but I don't care. My friends love me, and I love them too. Can you guess who I am?
My most memorable day. Of course! It was when my new baby was born. She was the prettiest baby ever. She is really good at singing, and she can speak English and Khmer. Dara doesn't believe me, but it's true. She sings songs all the time. She wants to go to school. She's really smart. And now she's learning to fly. Oh, I feel really tired sometimes. I have a lot of work to do because of my baby. But she's my favorite thing in the world. Can you guess who I am?